And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. To 100, 6 right. It's back on. 100, 6 right over crest. And 5 right over crest, caution to short 2 left through the gate. So 5 right over crest here and short 2 left through the gate. 80 to long 3 left, tightens, very slippy, water, 3 left, tightens, slippy. So you're good, you're good, you're good. Long 5 right continues into late 3 right in, watch. Late 3 right in, watch. 5 left, you're okay, you're okay. 5 left, fast 3 right in, slippy. And 2 left, tightens, slippy. And 3 right in. So 3 right in, and 6 left. Long 4 right in continues. 40, 6 right over crest, okay. 130 to turn tight hairpin right. Turn tight hairpin right. That's it. 40, 5 right over crest. 40, 3 left opens, mud. So this is 3 left opens, mud. Go on, go on, go on. That's it, go on, go on. 100, caution, crest, watch, 3 right in. 3 right in. That's it, you're good, you're good. Long 5 right in. And care, watch, 6 left over crest, tightens late to 3. So it's going to tighten late to 3 left. That's it, you're okay, you're okay. Go on, go on, go on, go on. 5 left over crest, 40, very long 5 left. 60, right on crest and turn square left, bail inside. 5 right over crest, 40, 5 right and long 5 left, tightens in, slippy. This is it.
Oh, I know this bit.
Yeah. 80, 4 left, slippy, and tight 4 right. 40, turn hairpin left, slippy. 60 up the rough. 4 right over mud. And 5 left in. And 3 right, watch. 3 right, watch. Into 3 left. And 2 right. This is your 2 right. And 5 left. Into 4 right, in, carry. And fast 4 left. You're good, you're good. Go on, 4 left. Line into short 3 left. Into long 6 right, tightens to 4, slippy. 6 right, tightens to 4, slippy. And long 6 right over crest, continues okay, logs. 5 right, narrows after lay-by, logs. 40, 5 right, okay.
Next.
100, 6 right over crest. 40, right on crest and care, 5 left, tightens over crest. And care, 4 right, into 4 left past the junction. Braking 40 to tight 4 right in. That's it, you're good, 4 left. 60 down to turn hairpin left. 60, 4 left in over loose. 40, caution, left on crest bump, and caution, watch 4 right over bump. That's here. 100, down over rough, caution. Right on crest, 6 left, into turn tight hairpin right. Fucking hell, turn tight hairpin right.
Oh, you gotta love it, man, you gotta love it.
Long 5 left in. Long 5 left in.
Watch the box, watch the box.
5 right in over crest. 5 left, tightens to 4 left in.
Tightens to a 4.
Tightens to a 4. And caution, short 3 left, slippy. And slow, right on crest and 2 left. So this is your 2 left. And 6 right into 5 left, don't cut. And 6 right over crest, okay. 6 right over crest, okay. 80, flat crest. 40, flat crest, okay. 250 to 6 left over crest at the end. 150 to care, watch, 5 right through dip bump. Care, 5 right through the dip. 6 left over crest, okay. 100.
Fucking well in, boy.
Crest, fast 4 right here. Fast 4 right. Crest and long 4 right. Opens, okay. You're okay, you're okay, you're good. 130. Fast 4 right in. And long 5 right tightens. Long 5 right tightens. And slow 5 left. Into chicane, left entry. So my side, you're going to go around it again, straight through the middle. That's it. 4 right, and 6 left over crest. 60, right on crest, and long 5 left continues, watch. So that's long 5 left, continues, watch. You're okay. Into long 4 left, tightens, it might be slippy.
Does look slippy.
100.
Oh, what's this?
You're okay, that's the one. 100, okay. Caution, 4 right and tightens. Into right on flat crest, and 5 left in, slow right down, slow right down. Slow right down. You're going that side, you're going that side. 3 left in, 3 left in. And flat crest. And 6 right. 80, flat crest. 170 to chicane, left entry at the logs. You slaughtered it, you're good. 300, flat crest.
Is this where we need some big balls?
This is where you need big balls.
Oh, righto.
So flat crest here, bud. And then you've got 80 to long flat crest.
Come on, let's fucking have it.
And then you've got 6 left to 270. 270 slow. Crest and turn 3 left. Tightens to square right.
Fucking love this car.
So 3 left. And then you go square right long, that's it. To turn hairpin right round the bail at the top. Turn left. 130. Fast 3 left. This is your fast 3 left. And flat crest. And flat crest again. 100. Caution, tight 2 right to 5 right. And 5 right in. 60, flat crest. 150, flat crest. And flat crest, 6 left.
Flat.
Flat. 6 left. 250 to turn hairpin left. It's in the dip. That's it, turn hairpin left. Into 5 right. 100, slippy and rough, through the gates, slippy, and tight turn hairpin right.
She is fucking slippy as well.
6 left through the gates, 170, narrow and slippy, to caution, so you got 170 to caution, long 4 left, in over crest, slippy, so you got long 4 left, in over crest, slippy, braking 60, to 3 right in, 40, flat crest and 5 left, flat crest 5 left, 80 to 3 right and turn square left through the bales, so 3 right, turn square left through the bales, 60, 4 right in, slippy,
What's this?
4 right in, slippy, and late 3 left over crest, tighten, slippy, 60, late long 2 left, that's in the dip, 2 left, and 3 right, that's it, go on, 3 right, into 6 right, 80, long flat crest, 100, flat crest, 200, 5 right, and 40,
What's this?
5 right, 40 to crest long, 4 right in, continues watch, so this is your 4 right in,
Oh, this is a big tree, isn't it?
yeah, into 3 right, big tree. Watch it
We're
here.
going wide, boy, we're going wide.
That's it, get her in. Long 5 right over crest continues.
Fuck fucking long this.
Into 5 right, okay. Go on, go on, go on. 5 right, okay. 230, 6 left, and comes quick, tight hairpin right.
Righto.
6 left, comes quick, you're on it. It's going to be here. 80. So long 4 left in, over loose. Tightens to 3 left. Tightens to 3, and sudden turn 2 left. So you're going to be in it now, turn 2 left. That's it. 170 over the rough.
This is more fucking like it.
Turn square left over the crest. Square left over the crest, get your lights on if you can. And fast 3 right in. Into long 5 right, opens okay. 100, 6 left over crest. 6 left over this crest. 60 crest, fast 4 left in. So fast 4 left in, watch your braking. And crest. 6 right down. 80, 6 right up. 100 to fast 4 left over crest. There's 4 left over crest. And 5 left tightens in, slippy. So 5 left tightens in, slippy. And 4 right in. 4 right in. 60, 2 left over the loose. And 5 left, so this is 2. And 5 left over the crest. And turn 3 left, don't. Turn 3 left, don't. And 5 right. 60, 6 right over crest. And 5 left in. 5 left in here, you're good. 60, long 5 right over crest, tightens. Long 5, tightens. And flat crest. And flat crest. Into 5 left. He's pulling, he's pulling. Watch, watch, watch. That's it. And 5 left in here. And 6 left. 80, flat crest. Long 5 right continues, okay. It continues, it continues. 130 to 5 right. And 60 slowing to 4 left in. So 5 right, slowing 4 left in. 5 right, 5 left. Watch, comes quick, 3 left in. This is your 3 left in. 80, flat crest. 100, 6 right over crest. 60 to 5 right and slow crest and 4 right in past the junction. So you're in 4 right in the dip. Go on, go on, go on, you can go, you can go. Long 5 left continues into caution crest. 4 left in, over finish, you're done. 4 left, this is, watch your braking.